Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and what I am unboxing is November's Allure Beauty Box. So I recently subscribed to this subscription box. I've just heard things about them, that it was one of the better beauty boxes out there, so I was curious about it. So I thought you guys might enjoy it, seeing what I got as well. So just as usual, I'm just going to show you guys what all I got and tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so like I said, this is November's box. I believe this box is $25, but they have like different deals. Like if you pay 3 months in ahead, it's like $20 a box, I want to say. Don't quote me on that because I can't remember. It's been a little bit since I subscribed to this. But anyway, so I signed up for the 3 months subscription, so they charge you every 3 months for 3 months. Anyways, so this is November's box. So they do have like a little magazine thing in here. I usually don't mention the magazines like whenever I get my Ipsy box, because they don't ever tell you anything about the products. But this one actually tells you about the products in your box, so that's nice, and it has prices and everything. I really wish Ipsy would bring that back because their app can be a little janky. Anyways, so let me rack my brain. I think you're supposed to get, again, don't quote me on this, I'm just remembering from when I signed up. I believe you're supposed to get at least 5 or 6 items. Maybe I should look that up real quick. Hold on. Okay, so you're getting the Best in Beauty handpicked by Allure's editors with 6+ products, and they say that you'll get at least 3 full-size products valued at over $100. So there is a free shipping if you're within the USA, and then you have to pay shipping if you're outside. So this box is $25, but they do charge tax, of course, depending on your state's tax. So I think this box was like $27 with taxes. Alright. So there's a lot of stuff in here. Let me just show you. That's quite a bit in there. That's more than, I don't know. I do see a couple of like samples, but that's okay. Oh, I do know that one of the items in here was like, because I signed up, they gave me an extra item. Now, I will say, I know I don't really want to compare this to Ipsy, but I am going to talk about Ipsy a little bit because I am kind of comparing them, but I'm not doing like a battle versus the boxes kind of thing. But I will say that this box doesn't allow you to customize like Ipsy does. I did get to customize a color of one of the products that I got, but I didn't get to choose all my items or anything like that, which is fine, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so first off is the item that I was able to choose the color of, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil. I've gotten this before in one of my subscription boxes in my Ipsy one. I do like this product, but I like the formula of the product, but I don't like the shape of this product. I don't know. The triangular one is just kind of odd in my opinion, but it's not bad. It's just, I don't know. I would prefer a point, not necessarily a triangle, but that's just my personal preference. So I picked the shade Taupe, which I believe is what shade works best for me. Anyways, so this retails for $26, and this is a full-size item. So there's the first product. I'm just going to go based off of what this pamphlet shows me. Alright, next up is this product here from Kylie Cosmetics. This is their matte liquid lipstick. It's in the shade A Moment. And this, I believe, is a full-size item, and this retails for $21. So that is like a really nice shade. Now, I didn't get to try out the makeup products in this box just because I am going to be filming twice today, and I've got 2 boxes, so I only tried the stuff from my Ipsy box on today. So I didn't get to try this product out. I've used the brow pencil before. That is like a really nice kind of pinky nude shade. So I think I'm gonna like that. If you hear noise in the background, baby girl and her daddy are upstairs, and you might hear her crawling around. And also it's raining. I don't know if my camera will pick that up, but it might, because it's kind of hitting the window. So that's what that noise is. Anyway, so I'm pretty actually excited about this. I've always wanted to try out the Kylie Jenner liquid lipsticks because I've heard so much about them. At least I used to. They used to be really popular back in the day, but I don't really hear about them anymore. Anyways, moving on. Next thing is from OBAGI. I don't know how to say that. Abagi. I'm probably not saying that right, but anyways, it's a hydrating cream. This retails for $62, and I believe this is another full-size item. Yeah, $62 for this. What are you, a hydrating cream? So you're just a hydrator? You're just a moisturizer? It just says hydrating cream, but it's in a nice packaging, I guess. It's got a little pump on it. I like pump products. So nice. I will say this box is definitely more on the skincare side than the makeup side, which you know me, I prefer way more makeup over skincare, but it's the first box I've ever gotten for them, so maybe, hopefully, the next boxes won't be so heavy on the skincare. Alright, and then next up is from Fenty. I don't know if this is Fenty Beauty or like another brand called Fenty, but this is Fenty Fragrance, so I'm assuming Fenty Beauty. This is a perfume, like I said. It's a travel spray. And yeah, it doesn't really say much about like, oh, let me see. It does say what type of fragrance it is, because I'm terrible at describing smells. So it says that the kind of fragrance you'll want to cozy up in all winter. Cozy up in all winter. This blend of warm musk and rose with a touch of wintry tangerine feels as comfy and seems as expensive as the perfect cashmere sweater. You know, the kind Rihanna would wear. So it is Fenty Beauty. Okay, that's a very interesting description of a smell. I don't really know what wintry tangerine smells like, but I guess this will. The sprayer's not very good. I'm trying to like describe what I'm smelling here. It's definitely musky. I don't know. I don't hate it, but honestly it reminds me of like grandma perfume. I don't know, it's not bad. It has definitely a sweet smell to it, and it's very musty, or musty, same thing. It's musk, but I don't know, it doesn't smell bad, but it definitely feels like an older person fragrance. So, not sure about that for me. So it doesn't say how much the travel size price tag is, but it tells you how much the full size price tag is. You guys want to guess? Put your guesses down in the comments. So the full size for this is $140. $140 for that. No thank you. Not my type of scent, but maybe other people like it. Alright. I feel like I've been rambling for way too long. Next up is from Arborian Skin Therapy, and it is their Multi-Perfecting Night Oil Serum. So it's another little travel or could be a sample. I don't know. It's pretty small, but it comes in, I don't know. I don't know if this is a full size. It doesn't say. I mean, I know it's not the full size, but I don't know if it's technically like a travel size or if this is a sample size. Anyways, so the full size values for $59. I believe this is yeah, it says Korean Skin Therapy on here. So this is an actual Korean skincare, I believe. Which, I don't know. A lot of people on TikTok talk about these Korean skincares. I don't know if it's this one in particular, but I've seen a lot of good things about them, so I'm curious to try that out, but I don't know what a night oil is. I'm assuming just something you apply at night. Yeah, 17 plant extracts combined in a multi-perfecting oil that works while you sleep. After the first night, your skin is smooth, intensely nourished, plump, and with moisture. Signs of fatigue appear reduced. Your complexion is fresh and radiant. Dang. Maybe I do need this because baby girl has not transitioned to her crib very well. So she ends up in our bed with us. And she is a kicker, just a mover in her sleep. And that wakes me up a lot. So I've not been getting the best sleep lately. So I definitely need that right now. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 more products in here. And then we're done. That's a lot of products in here. So next up is from Misha, I think. Probably not saying that right. But it's their Set Gel to Foam Styling Mousse. So the retail value on this is $23 for the full size. This is not the full size. This is probably a sample or a travel. But yeah, here it is. So I'm curious to try that out. I mean, I've got really short hair now, and I do need to learn to style it. I get these little wispy things from New Growth, and it's, yeah, I don't know what to do with my hair sometimes. But anyway, so I'm curious to try this out. And then next up is from Ave New NYC, and it's their Lift Off Volumizing Hair Mask. And this again is a sample, I believe. Yeah, and then the full size of this retails for $16. This is just one little sample, which I'm curious to try out. I mean, I feel like with samples, like with hair products, you really can't know if you like it from just one sample, because unless you can get multiple uses out of this, we'll see. Alright, well there is 2 more products in here, but that's all they say is just these 2. Or there's nothing else mentioned about the last 2 products in here unless I missed a page. Let me see. No, so I don't know the prices on these last 2 products, but I'll go ahead and show them. So there's one here from Elemis, and this is their Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. I don't know if this is a full size. So I don't know the price tag on this. Alright. I will say, packaging like this kind of pisses me off because you think, oh, I'm getting a really big product that justifies this size of box. And then you actually look inside there and it's only taking up half of the box. So I feel like this is very misleading packaging. But anyway, so here's this little bitty tube. So it's an eye cream. I've gotten from Ipsy a lot of Elemis stuff, and it's not bad. I don't mind it. It's not really something I'd go out and buy on my own, but I don't mind getting or using it when I get it in my boxes. Alright, and then last product in here is, I believe, the product that I got gifted for signing up when I did. And this is from Chris Alpenton Plus Color Wow. I don't know what that is. This is called Money, and it's for super glossy, expensive looking hair. Well, I don't know if I have super glossy, expensive looking hair. What are you? I think it's a hair mask. Yes. It's a leave-in no, it's not a leave-in conditioner because it says you have to wash it out. But it's some kind of, I would call it a mask. It sounds like a mask. It says you have to leave it on for like, it says to shampoo your hair and then leave it on for like 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse off. So I would call that a mask. Anyway, so I don't know how much those 2 products were. So that's everything in my box. So I went ahead and tallied out the price for 3 of the products in the box since they were the full-size ones. I didn't include all the samples or the travel size ones, but just the 3 that are full-size products, so I'll show you again. So the full-size, the 3 that are full-size is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, which was $26. The Kylie Cosmetics matte lipstick here which was $21, and then this hydrating cream here, which is a moisturizer. So just these three products by themselves, these retail for $109, which is over the $100 value of the box. So that's pretty good considering I paid $25 for the box and already this is $109. So the rest of the products, I got the Fenty perfume, I got the mousse, styling mousse, I got this facial oil thingy, I got an eye cream, and then I got a hair mask here, which this one is a gift, so I would not expect another item like this in my next box because this was the gift for signing up. So that's a bonus item. And then I got another hair mask, which was like a sample. So in total, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 products, not including the gift. So it's 9 total, but 8 in the original box. If that makes sense, because that one's a bonus, don't forget. So yeah, so that's actually pretty good. I will say that's a really good deal for how much I paid, $25, and I got 8 products, or 9 products technically. So that's actually pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with how much stuff I got. Now, final thoughts on everything. Like I said, there's a lot. Well, let's see, 1, 2. Technically, I only got 3 skincare products, and then the others I got 3 hair products, and then 1 perfume, and then 2 makeup. You know me though, I always prefer way more makeup over other beauty related items. So I guess it's really not that bad now that I'm looking at it. I got 3 hair products, 3 makeup products, 1 perfume, which I really do like getting perfumes in my boxes, even though that one's not like my preference when it comes to scents. I will say that stuff is potent because I sprayed it, I think it's been like 5 minutes or 6, and I can still smell it like I just sprayed it. So that stuff is going to probably last on you for a good few hours at least. I don't want to say all day because I don't know, but the fact that I can still smell it, it's lingering. So I have to say, I don't know. I think this is a pretty good box, but it's not my favorite. But this is my first box from them, so I really don't have anything to compare it to. Not too bad, not too shabby. I do feel like I definitely got my money's worth. So I'm really curious to see what the other boxes are going to look like. But yeah, that is going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it really does help my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of the box. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!